Hello. We are on a Triumph Riders ride today. They have a nice little poker run today. So there is a whole bunch of bikes behind me. I'll have a little look around, but yeah, it's always a fun ride. We go back to where I came from, to Wairarapa, and have a little bit of a hone around.
I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets, and no, I never forget. So now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he's acting straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential, I need a first base, take it to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come to me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
I decided to have a new mount for the GoPro on my chest. Hopefully it'll work better than my handlebar mount, because that was shaky as and totally unusable. So yeah, that should be a fun ride. All of the bikes for now. There is more coming over there. There's a petrol station just across. We can have a little peek through the hole. So everybody's fueling up, and then we're riding. Yeah, pretty alright turnout. See you later. you okay? It's pretty... Hey, morning. The weather's pretty... Yeah, look, it's okay here. It was raining, but it's gonna be nice on the other side. So let's get to it. Let's go riding. See you on the road. So she stopped and there is oil everywhere. I don't know what's going on. Another ride's done. Damn it. So we are at the Pokemanu pub in Martinborough, and yeah, my Sporty didn't make it. She's all bleeding oil everywhere, and I'm not sure what happened. I have only rebuilt the bottom part of the engine, not the top. So I don't know whether the valves are blown, or piston, or gaskets go something. She's not running, and I think there is no compression, and yeah, I'll have to get to that. So the guy, they have a vehicle what follows the ride, and guy picked me up on a trailer. We went back home, and the day was a bit early, so I picked up the Triumph and joined the Triumph ride after all. So here we are. Adventures, eh? They tell you buy an old bike. Bikes are arriving, and this is another stop. They're doing a couple more stops, having a lunch today, but I think this is my call. I'm done, ready to head home and see if I can salvage anything of the, well, let's see if I can make have a look. Well, let's have a look if I can do anything with the Harley. See if I can take the plugs out, look inside the engine, if there is anything what's amiss. So yeah, time to go home. All the machinery, bikes, not working, not legal, that's working, legal. So 50% success rate in the garage. What a day, what another day. Who would have knew that we're gonna have a catastrophic failure with this one? I just like the word, as you figure out, catastrophic failure. I'm gonna take the spark plugs out and see inside the pistons what's happening, and maybe test for compression, see what's up. But all this leaked oil from underneath the heads, and on the other side there were pools of oil right down the bottom of the push rods. So who knows what's wrong with the bike. Yeah, it's fun ride, good weather, good people. Just why can't I complete one ride without it breaking down, huh? It was the second trailer in 3 weeks. Well, you don't know about that one, eh? But you'll see soon. Well, no, you probably see that before this one. I'm mumbling. Done. My chronology of videos and my rides is all mixed up, so who knows which video will be up first. So, yeah. I took that one on trailer. I took that one home on a trailer. You will have to find out why and when. Anyhow, this is what it is. Thank you for watching, as usual. I appreciate your comments and messages of encouragement. We will plod along and we will make them run once again. Let's see. Thanks again. See ya later.